Hello, my name is Spencer Jula, and I'm a product manager in our connectors segment for CPC Biotech. I'm excited to announce the launch of a brand new RevolveSD series. This 1-inch flow path disconnection solution offers users simplicity and speed in bioprocessing teardown, ideal for harsh chemical applications, while also compatible with multiple sterilization methods. The RevolveSD series is quick and easy to use. Operators simply remove the gold locking tab and rotate the connector shell 2 full rotations to disconnect each end of a closed system tubing line. The locking tab also helps reduce the risk of unintended disconnections. What can be minutes per disconnect and potentially over an hour on setup with existing technologies now can be done in seconds. The RevolveSD series features a new dual valve non-spill technology, which minimizes surface moisture left by fluid media on external valve face after disconnection. The 1-inch flow path size and new valve design accommodates smooth, bidirectional flow, minimizing turbulence and restriction. RevolveSD is made of durable, lightweight polyphenol sulfone, which is resistant to many chemicals found in downstream processes, like chromatography, filtration, and purification. It's been tested against varying concentrations of chemicals like sodium hydroxide, benzyl alcohol, DMSO, and DMAC. The RevolveSD series is available in sizes to fit 3/4 inch or 1-inch hose barbs, as well as 1.5-inch sanitary fittings. For more information, check out RevolveSD at cpc-bio.com.